Why your calendar's still empty even with good content. Here are 3 places leads quickly fall off and how to fix them fast.
Here's the truth. Posting more is not a strategy anymore. It's just a band-aid. If people are seeing your content but not booking, there's a breakdown in the back end.
Welcome, y'all. I'm Lori with Marketing Assistant Co. We don't just work for women, we work to redefine how women do business. In this webinar, I aim to empower women entrepreneurs by addressing common lead drop-off points. Thanks for subscribing and joining me today as we explore practical solutions to strengthen your lead-to-client systems. I've seen how women are expected to show up perfectly styled, constantly visible, and endlessly available. I'm a former classical soprano who walked away from the stage and the performative pressure that followed me into the online space. Women are expected to show up 24/7, all under the illusion that more hustle equals more success. I call BS. I help feminists step out of survival mode and into sustainable, soul-aligned marketing that honors their time, energy, and real-life rhythms. Because showing up shouldn't feel like a performance. It should feel like a choice.
Let's start with something simple but overlooked. Your links. Your bio link, your button in your email, the CTA on your blog. If someone clicks and lands on a home page, a dead form, or a cluttered menu, they are likely going to get out of there. They're not going to know which step to choose next, and so they're not going to choose. They're just going to go back to whatever they were doing before or search for someone else that's easier to book with.
Intentionally defining these elements will enhance your user experience significantly.
Here's what to check. You want to have one clear page, not multiple options, with one clear CTA. It needs to match what they expected when they clicked it. And you need to update it regularly. Make sure you're checking that the links work, nothing is broken, your branding is updated, everything is seamless. Ask them to do one thing clearly.
Have intention for every step of their journey. This gains trust. You are ghosting your leads by not following up. We all have experienced the importance of instant responses in a service-based industry. Many potential leads feel abandoned after opting in when they get no immediate follow-up. Implementing immediate responses fosters trust and keeps the conversation alive, ensuring they remember your brand. Add an instant follow-up email to your pipeline. Ensure immediate response with a thank you email after opt-in. Include delivery details and next steps to keep leads engaged and informed, reinforcing your supportive brand voice. Reinforcing your brand voice every time, especially when most of us outsource to copywriters and VAs, it's best to automate sequences that reflect your brand's genuine warmth written by you personally.
It's confusing at the finish line. They are ready to book, but your calendar or your checkout is clunky.
Many potential clients get frustrated due to broken booking steps. Simplifying your booking process ensures a smooth experience, reducing stress and catching more leads. Simplify your booking process by using a tool like TidyCal to create a seamless experience. This helps leads to easily navigate through your systems without frustration or confusion. Be sure to stick around until the end for my affiliate links. Vague or inconsistent pricing can turn away quality leads. Clearly communicating costs, even if it's free. And next steps in your booking flow builds trust and encourages bookings, making clients feel confident in their choice. Clearly outline pricing and their next steps on your booking page helps your leads understand what to expect, fostering trust and encouraging them to take action.
If this has helped you realize where leads are falling through, but you still need help fixing it, that's what I'm here for. There are 2 ways to book with me. You can book a connection call, which is free, and we'll take a look at your calendar or your links or your email together. Or you can upgrade to a VIP audit, and I'll take a look at your entire system and even fix a few things for you. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to hear what starts working better after today.